Welcome to African Village Life. Today we are cooking rice and beans all together. Enjoy. Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Remember to subscribe. Kindly subscribe. We are two subscribers. And if you are new in this channel, like, follow, share, watch my videos. Today we are preparing beans with rice. Thank you. Those are beans. We start by removing beans from the main plant. Remember, we are located in Embu, Eastern Africa, Kenya, Africa. These are an African mom makes sure that he satisfies our kids despite what? Wow. Those are beans. They are laid in kara. Those are remains of beans. Wow. We shall the dustbin. We leave there at the dustbin, and later it will be manure, and we will use them for planting seeds. Make sure the fire is blending. Remember, she is an African mom. Wash beans, clean beans well. Clean with your beans, and make sure the fire is ready. We clean like that. Here is an African mom from Kenya. Make sure the sufuria is stable. Leave the beans to boil for 2 hours. While the beans are boiling in the other side, make sure the rice is in good services. Select rice. Remove stones in the rice. Remove stones in the rice. These are nyanya, and in the other side start preparing onions. Make sure that onions are cut respectively. Remember, our beans are still boiling. After onions, start cutting. Add tomatoes and cut them into pieces. Cut tomatoes into pieces. Kindly, if you are new into this channel, remember to subscribe. Kindly share, like, comment, leave a good comment for your mom. Remember, she is a Kenyan mom from Embu, Eastern Kenya, Africa. Beans are still boiling. They are about to be ready. Our beans are ready. Oh, wow. Beans are ready. Start by frying onions. Add oil. Add oil. add onions. Fry onions until they are brown, golden brown. Add tomatoes respectively. Wow. Remember, there is a lot of smoke. Add salt. Add beans. Fry beans all together with tomatoes and salt. After beans they are ready, add some water. Add some water. Add rice all together. And rice. Wow, the rice is ready. After 30 minutes, the rice is ready. The food is ready. An African mom makes sure her children are served first before she serves herself. Wow, you can see the food is so hot. But we thank God we have something to eat. Enjoy. Wow, delicious. You can see the kids are enjoying their food with their mom. You can see. Wow. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, share, comment. Enjoy. Enjoy. Hello, my YouTube family. I want to thank you for subscribers. Please share my videos. Continue to subscribe. Now I am 262 subscribers. Continue to subscribe. Today we have shared our video, rice and beans all together. Thank you.